Sarashik is the golden bridge that connects two continents, Europe and Asia. This is the center of culture and religion. Here, for the first time, Islam became the state religion. Sarashik is the center of artisans, the place where historical figures were burned. Sarashik is the center of Ulus Jochi, Golden Fort, Nogay Fort, and Kazakh Canal, and the place where was a pantheon of medieval rulers. Sarashik is the center of advanced technologies. The Min was located here.
Sarashik is the capital of Ulush Jochi, Golden Horde, Nogay Horde, and Kazakh Khanate, and the place where was a pantheon of medieval rulers. At this moment, a Republican state-owned enterprise, the State Historical and Cultural Museum Reserve Sarashik of the Ministry of Culture and Sports of the Republic of Kazakhstan, is engaged in the protection and preservation of the medieval city Sarashik as an object of historical and cultural heritage, carries out research, cultural and educational tourist activities.